The first month of 2026 has seen tremendous amount of news about AI, machine learning and automation. And there are three news headlines that really made young professionals sit back and reflect. First is the Anthropic CEO's bold assessment at Davos about SWE, software engineering jobs getting automated in the next 12 to 18 months. And the second was the rollout from Anthropic announcing the Claude plugin that would automate legal, marketing and other jobs. And this was a major announcement. And the third was a tweet from Sridhar Vembu, the Indian software leader, urging young professionals, especially coders, to look at career options beyond IT. Now, these three headlines kind of made all of us sit back and reflect. The first is from Dario about software engineering jobs. So let us look at this clip.
We are now, in terms of the models that write code, I have engineers within Anthropic who say, I don't write any code anymore. I just let the model write the code. I edit it. I do the things around it. I don't know, we might be 6 to 12 months away from when the model is doing most, maybe all of what SWEs do end to end. And then it's a question of how fast does that loop close?
Reflect on what Dario is talking about in this clip. Yes, software engineering jobs are going to take a big hit. But at the same time, software services companies, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Deloitte, IBM, all have plans to hire tens of thousands of young professionals, young graduates, to take them through the boot camp, train them on several tools, technologies, including AI, because they are seeing a huge demand for the next few years. So, which means there is still work to be done. Now, let's focus on where the real opportunities are going to be if you are a young professional or even a mid-career professional. Opportunities in business partnering, requirements gathering, capability planning, the first line of support, system integration, DevOps, validations, bug fixing, troubleshooting, configuration. These are all still human managed activities. You still need humans to provide the first line of support. After someone talks to a chatbot, they want to have a human understand their problem, analyze the problem and provide the solution. And if the solution requires a fix, understand the system context and plug in the changes into the live environment. And likewise, if you are in corporate IT, you're still seeing major IT transformations, upgrade of SAP programs, upgrade of SFDC plugins, SFDC projects, and those are multi-year or projects spanning several months. And those projects are not going to go anywhere, and they are still going to require human resources, people who are going to work on those projects. And the second is the announcement from Anthropic about this plugin. And this plugin in Claude created tremendous angst in the market. But I think it was a knee-jerk reaction right after the announcement. To be fair, many of these tools like the Claude for legal services are going to provide a tremendous boost to professionals like lawyers who are doing case research or looking for case citation or scanning through libraries of case references or looking for templates for NDAs, non-disclosure agreements, or for contract templates, or finding similar contracts that you signed to create as a boilerplate. There's a lot of opportunity to automate because lawyers are learning to use these tools to automate. Similarly, in the field of medicine, doctors are learning to use AI tools to supplement their knowledge. Like if they have a doubt, rather than look up a big dossier or rake their brains, they are able to quickly look up online or using these AI tools to look up similar case histories or medical histories or references. Like the third dimension is this announcement or the detailed tweet by Sridhar Vembu, right? That takes a more reflective view of software engineering, software services. Coders thinking about alternative livelihoods. Now, it was a more of a clickbait title. Also took a philosophical view, saying that based on the conversation, there are two ways it could unfold. You could become a person who is able to leverage these tools, or become a slave to these tools. Now, where it's going to lead or how it's going to play out is anyone's guess, and that is where you've got to keep your mind open. Now, back to where we started this conversation. If you are a young professional looking at career options as a software engineer, learn to use these tools, learn what's happening in the marketplace, and the tools are a tremendous productivity aid. If you can learn to leverage these tools and not just be a coder, but be that analyst, be that business relationship manager or the business liaison who's able to take that requirements, understand the pain points of the business, help the business, and that is where the value add is going to be, and that is where your human brain is still going to be powerful.